This thing even on? What's up, guys? It is Chris back with another video. Yes, now I know I've been gone for a while, and that's because I've been busy, quite frankly. Well, I have been busy, but I've mainly been busy with work, and I just haven't been having motivation to make another video. But here I am back with another one because, well, actually, I gotta fix something today. And, well, let's just skip all the talk. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I need to go fix. So as you can see, my lip is broken, clearly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and fix it. Now you guys might be asking yourselves, what am I gonna use to fix it? Well, let me go ahead and show you guys. So I'm using some JB Weld and self-adhesive drywall tape. I saw a video, that's how they fixed it. Hopefully it works for me. So let me set everything up and show you guys pretty much. Alright, so basically I put the tape over the crack, this is the bottom. I don't know how well you can see, but I put some on top too, just to hold the cracks, give it some strength. So basically now what I'm gonna do is put JB Weld here and then the drywall tape, and hopefully that works. Let's see how that goes. All right, y'all, so that's the finishing product pretty much. It says it should dry in 15 minutes, so we'll check in 15 minutes, but that's basically what it's supposed to look like. Well, as you can see, it didn't work. I guess it's time for new lip.
2 days later.
All right, so how I had mentioned, I threw away the other lip, and this is my new one. It's honestly just a splitter for the time being until I get another lip like the old one. But for now, I'm gonna be running this splitter. It comes in 3 pieces, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it right now. All right, so like I said, it was a 3-piece. All you gotta do to connect them is put these 4 screws in, and you connect it, and now it's 1 piece. So now I'm gonna actually install it in the car. Boom, first homemade, now to make all the other ones. It's fairly easy, just considering that I'm doing this by myself. So basically this is what it's gonna look like. That's just 1 piece of it, but pretty much just to show you guys how it would look like. Well, I just finished it, completely bolted on. No budge. I don't feel like it's gonna fall anytime soon. I would show you guys how it looks from afar, but it is dark now, so I'm just gonna wait until it's daytime and show you guys then.